Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome to Smart Finance Investor. Today, we've got something truly exciting and innovative to talk about. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. You might have heard the buzz, but we're here to demystify NFTs, break them down, and give you a solid grasp on what they're all about. By the end of this video, you'll be an NFT expert. So, grab your favorite snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Chapter 1. What are NFTs? NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a revolutionary concept in the digital world. They're like digital certificates of authenticity that confirm ownership of unique digital items, such as digital art, music, videos, virtual real estate, and even in-game items. What sets NFTs apart is their non-fungible nature, meaning each token is distinct and can't be exchanged on a one-to-one basis like cryptocurrencies. Think of NFTs as digital collectibles or pieces of virtual property, each with a unique identity and history. These tokens are built on blockchain technology, which ensures their security and transparency by recording ownership on a public digital ledger. This technology empowers creators to monetize their digital creations and buyers to own something truly exclusive in the digital realm. Chapter 2. How do NFTs work? NFTs operate on the blockchain, a decentralized digital ledger. When an artist mints an NFT, it's like giving birth to a unique digital creation. This creation's details, called metadata, are embedded in the NFT. This metadata includes ownership history, creator information, and any attributes that make the item special. Once minted, the NFT is stored on the blockchain, where it can't be altered or duplicated. The blockchain's consensus mechanism ensures the validity of ownership, making NFTs secure and transparent. When you purchase an NFT, you're not buying the content itself, but the ownership rights to it. This ownership is verifiable through the blockchain, giving you a piece of the digital world that's truly one of a kind. Chapter 3. Creating and buying NFTs. Creating NFTs is a creative process that transforms digital content into unique tokens. Artists use NFT platforms to mint their creations by attaching metadata that describes the item's origin and attributes. Once minted, NFTs can be listed for sale or auction on specialized marketplaces. Buyers, using cryptocurrency, bid on or purchase these NFTs. Upon purchase, the NFT is transferred to the buyer's digital wallet, a secure digital storage for cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Buying NFTs grants ownership of the original digital item, allowing collectors to truly own digital art or other unique creations. Chapter 4. NFTs and digital ownership. NFTs redefine digital ownership by providing a tangible sense of possession in the digital realm. Unlike traditional digital content that can be easily copied, NFTs grant you ownership of the authentic, original version of a digital creation. It's like having a virtual autograph that proves your ownership. This ownership is authenticated and stored on the blockchain, making it immutable and transparent. When you own an NFT, you hold the rights to the item's unique identity, history, and any associated value. This concept is empowering artists and creators by enabling them to monetize their work directly while allowing collectors to hold something exclusive and irreplaceable in the vast digital landscape. Chapter 5. NFTs and the creative world. NFTs are sparking a creative revolution by transforming how artists and creators share and monetize their work. Musicians, visual artists, writers, and game developers can now directly connect with a global audience without intermediaries. This democratization of the creative process allows creators to retain greater control over their content and revenue streams. NFTs enable artists to explore new formats and concepts, like interactive art and tokenized experiences. The boundary between the physical and digital worlds is blurring, opening doors for innovative collaborations and immersive storytelling. As creators experiment with this new medium, NFTs are shaping the future of artistic expression and digital content consumption. Chapter 6: Potential and Controversies. NFTs come with both promise and challenges. On the positive side, they empower creators to gain recognition and monetary rewards for their digital creations. They also enable new ways of interacting with art and culture, fostering a more inclusive creative landscape. However, NFTs have stirred controversies, particularly around their environmental impact due to the energy-intensive blockchain networks they rely on. This raises concerns about sustainability and the need for eco-friendly solutions. Additionally, there's the issue of copyright infringement and the potential for scams in the relatively nascent NFT market. It's essential for the NFT ecosystem to address these challenges while embracing the potential for positive change. Chapter 7: Tips for NFT Beginners. If you are thinking of diving into the NFT world, here are some quick tips to keep in mind. 1. Research thoroughly before buying or creating NFTs. 2. Be cautious of scams and do your due diligence. 3. Understand the environmental implications and consider eco-friendly blockchains. 4. Use reputable marketplaces and wallets for secure transactions. There you have it, folks. NFTs demystified from start to finish. Whether you are an artist looking to explore new avenues or just someone curious about this digital revolution, I hope you've gained a solid understanding. Remember, technology is constantly evolving, so stay informed, be responsible, and keep that curiosity alive. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about exciting tech trends, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay curious.